friends and creators from around the globe. Welcome to Hither and Yon Studio. DJ here in the studio today, introducing the July Mini Junk Journal Kit. And this month's kit is all about a gardening theme, and it's got a lot of pretty papers. It is a mini junk journal kit, and I'm just going to go through the papers today, and then as normal, throughout the month, I'll be building out the kit and I'll put up the videos here and you can play along. But first, let's go through what's in the kit this month. So we have a bunch of these papers that, well, mine has the border, that'll go away, that you cut in half and then you fold to kind of make a small journal like this, okay? And so I printed mine front and back already, so I'll just flip through them. I love this one. I love the birdie. More birdies. No shock there. Got lots of birdies. Because it's a garden theme, right? Got this. This one. And then we have a bunch of full-size sheets. So these are just printed on one side. There's one. There's 2, 3, and 4. And then there are a bunch of bits. So there's a lot of stuff to cut out because this is kind of going to be a very stacked, grungy kind of garden journal. At least mine will be. You do yours however you want. So we got some pockets, tags, tickets, tabs, flags. We've got more pockets, more tags, journaling cards, tickets, more tags, a couple of journal plates, or you can use them throughout the journal for various things. Lots of fussy cuts. So a lot of these boards where you can write on them with like a Posca pen or something, or you can write on them with anything you want, actually. Lots of fun stuff in this one. Some seed packets. Oh, I love this one. Lots of tags and things we can wrap around tags and dangle and all sorts of fun stuff. So more of those plates. I did some circle tags, some pieces we can kind of tear up and use to build up pages. And then a bunch of words and sayings. I printed mine on sticker paper, so I can just cut them and stick them down, but you can also just print them and glue them. All right, that's what's in the kit, and all of the details, as usual, are in the description box below. The kit is free all throughout the month of July. Go grab yours, and then in the next video, we'll start building out our journals. So I hope you enjoy it. Have a crafty day, and I'll see you in the next video, I hope. Bye!